Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to assemble our new pedestal table base. This is the 18-inch version, and in the kit you get 4 legs, and then you have your 2 connectors, some bolts, and feet levelers. So you're going to want to flip the table leg over, and you're going to start with the big mounting plate. I'm going to slide this right in until your holes are lined up, and then just start the bolts. Just about like that. Grab your next leg, slide it under, make sure your holes are lined up, start your bolts. And you're just going to repeat those steps all the way around. All right, now that we have the bottom plate on, we're going to flip this over. You're going to grab your other plate, the small one, drop it into place. So once you have it all together, you're going to want to tighten them down until they're nice and snug. And I alternate, so I go across and just go in a circle and just make sure they're all nice and snug. And then flip it back over. Finish tightening down your bottom bolts. Then you're going to want to put your foot levelers in. They just screw in like this. And that's it. It's all together. You can make your adjustments on your foot levelers. Just make sure it's sitting level. And now your table base is ready for its top. You set it on and mount it in, and you're good to go.